seat behind us, couple are taking a picture and hear us standing in front of this
The singles.
laser wall, fighting over saying hi.
Welcome back to my channel Premi Narrates. Today here we are back with another vlog. So today we'll be making you walk through
Yeah.
two spots. One is where we gossip all the time, our gossip spot. So after that we'll be going to Food Street, which is nearby our house. So today's vlog is going to be all about some more
Foods,
talks
gossips, girls.
and more.
Yeah. The auntie snitch, people snitch, but this auntie sweet.
Sweet. What do you think? What kind of an auntie you'll be in future?
The cool one, bro. I got piercing and all. I'll be the cool. I wanna be this cool grandma to my
Oh.
grandkids.
If at all you have a son and a daughter-in-law.
Okay. Oh, I'll be the cool.
Cool
I'll-
mother-in-law.
Yeah, mother-in-law.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll tell her if he ever,
Uh,
cheats on her.
oh,
Yeah. I'm
yeah,
girl's
yeah.
girl, bro.
Yeah. That's true.
People will normalize cheating. Please
It's
don't do
already
that.
normalized.
No, please don't do that.
Yeah. It's already normalized. Please, guys. I mean, guys and girls, bring back the 90s. Bring back the trust. Bring back those days.
Do you think people didn't cheat in 90s?
No. Then when did people didn't cheat? Like people always cheated, no? Even in the king's times, kings had
Multiple
wives and all. That is like too much normalizing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
It's like legal. Cheating was legal back in time.
Maybe it's getting.
We are
not
going back
so
in time.
normalized. Yeah, we are going back in time.
Yeah. So like we never had this kings and cheating conversations. Why are we having it today?
Yeah.
Okay. So bro, are you sleepy?
Welcome. No, I'm not sleepy.
Okay.
My eyes are like that. I can't help it.
Yeah. She didn't sleep for the last night maybe.
No, I slept like a baby, but still
Okay.
other reasons.
So guys, the street that you're seeing behind us is our regular street
Yeah.
where we come and talk.
And it's not close by, so people won't recognize.
Yeah. People, like if
People
anybody
won't
knows this
find-
street, don't come here. We don't live nearby.
We don't live nearby. Please don't stalk Premi.
And you know, if this street could talk,
If you wanna stalk, if you wanna get informations about Premi, email me, pay me.
bro, what if the street could talk? It knows all of our
Yeah,
secrets
I mean-
and everything.
That's true. What if this walls?
Yeah, if these walls could talk, there are like tons of
Oh my
secrets they
god,
knew.
I'll get caught. We'll get caught. Because this is our regular spot and this is where we come often and gossip. This is our
Yeah,
gossip
we do a
spot.
lot of gossiping.
Yeah.
I don't.
I don't wanna get it, bro.
Yeah. And then, bro,
Take care. It's coughing season.
yeah, it's winter.
Coughing
It's so cool.
season to some, but
It's cold.
unfortunately, it's coughing season, not the cuffing season for me.
What is cuffing, bro? Bro, I don't understand half of your Gen Z terms.
It's cuffing season.
Let us gossip for some time. We'll gossip and then we'll change the spot. We'll get to talk there because the lighting is not so good here. Okay, thank you for now. Hey, bro, there's flight. All I could see is street light, but there's a flight going on there.
I can't even look at the street light. It's too bright.
Yeah. Okay, we'll gossip for a bit and we'll change the spot and we'll see you again. Bye-bye.
Come this side and go.
Did you start recording?
Oh shit, yeah.
The one thing that is very common with all of my friends and me is walking. I make everyone walk a lot, and it's good to walk.
We are walkers because we always walk away from all the good things.
Bro, this looks cozy.
And it smells nice.
I mean, yeah, these colorful places.
We can
And-
only show it from the outside.
Yeah, I mean, we can't waste a lot of time going in and,
And
lot
money.
of guys. I was walking on the road and I just saw this lighting, using this background for free because I really like the lighting. So it's Christmas time, that's why we see a lot of these lightings everywhere. And I do look good with this background. Bro, we do look good with this background. Don't you think?
I feel so girly.
More than me?
Yeah. I mean, you look girly. Yeah, I look girly too.
Yeah. So yeah, this lighting is making us really.
The Anna is gonna kick us out.
Yeah, actually, this is some random
Yeah.
electronic and
Show
electrical
them,
stuff.
show them, show them.
Show them what?
This and all. Yeah.
That Anna, we are using this property. We are using his property without his permission,
We came to the shop to get a mic and it was quite costly.
and we are going out. We are so poor as of
but
now.
still we are using this.
Background.
Yeah. So bro, he looks furious. I think
Okay,
we need
okay.
to go.
Even before Anna kicks us out, we are moving.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
We finally reached our spot.
Yeah. And they got the accessories shops now.
Oh, this is the spot.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, something is written in
She
Tamil. I
doesn't
don't-
have social anxiety, guys.
Let's go in and see. Bro, do you think we'll get ice cream here? Why are you so shy?
I'm shy.
Don't be. No one cares.
I know, but still I'm shy. I never.
No one cares. See, do you see anyone in the background looking at us?
Yep. All the men.
No one looks at us.
Okay, let's count. Let's count.
No one. See, you don't have to count. It's visible on the camera. Nobody's looking at us. Okay, we are just trying to set the phone. Bro, we badly need to invest on a tripod.
Yeah.
Shall I put that stool on here?
No. Bro, no. You can't.
Okay.
She is suggesting.
I am paying 140 rupees. Why can't I use the property? I can use stool in any way. It's not just
She is saying she's gonna keep the stool on this table and keep it as a tripod.
Or else we'll
Bro,
ask the bro
I'm
for the
coming.
helmet.
Yeah, it's fine. It's nice.
That bro has helmet. We'll ask for
No, we
helmet.
can't. Yeah. No, I mean this is a pretty nice. You already own a house, but in the future, if you are getting a house, what aesthetics will you choose?
Oh, I'll be choosing. You already knew.
Because she saw chicken kebab hanging. And
I didn't
she
see
thought
that.
is
See,
a
I saw the
good
let's
background.
chap.
Let's chat.
This green and this
Ah.
orange, white
Let's
combination. All of that. Let's show it to them.
Yeah, oh my god.
Okay. So it will be all white.
We ordered green apple. It's not mojito. It's pronounced as mojito.
Mojito?
Mojito.
It's not he. Maybe it's mojito. This looks good.
Yep.
Then we'll use this.
Oh shit! You're gonna no. It's a bad idea.
no,
it's a bad idea.
Why?
It's
No.
a bad idea.
Do you think
This
it will
will
fall?
spill. Yep.
It won't spill.
It's a bad idea.
It has drink it, so it won't spill.
Okay.
Yeah. Come. The short hair girl. The girl with the short hair.
We are planning to get a random girl and
And
include
into the
her.
vlog.
Yeah.
Because you guys maybe obviously will be like by this time you would have been bored
Yeah.
of the
See,
same
if
two
you
faces.
see us outside, don't be shy. Come say hi.
Yeah, so we want to find out a girl and include her in the vlog, which we are not getting. No girl is actually single days. Everybody is with
Except
every
us.
other girl. Yeah, we are the. It's okay. We are fine. We are
And
looking
we
for
look
the girls
single.
like us.
Yeah. We're not looking for any
No,
men. We're
those
looking for
girls,
girls.
those girls.
To have fun.
But do you think they'll be comfortable with the vlog?
They don't look like that type of person that comes in
Camera.
gives interviews. Yeah, that comes in front of camera.
Yeah. At least auntie is fine. We are not even getting an
Auntie,
auntie.
okay, we'll get an auntie and ask her what she made for dinner.
Dinner?
Okay, no.
If she makes anything for dinner, why will she come
Yeah,
here?
maybe for lunch. Maybe we'll ask her about the routine that she follows on every
But there's no
weekend.
auntie also.
Yeah.
What can we do?
Too many men's.
Too many men.
We're tired of it. We're
Yeah.
tired of it.
We're too thirsty and we're using the mojito glass as tripod.
Tripod.
So if you want to drink, we should go that side and drink and come.
Oh,
shit. Oh my god, let's not take risk with the glass.
It's too much, right? I just paid 60 rupees for this entire french fries and it's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah. And it's nice.
I wish there's more masala in it. It looks so pale.
No.
Okay, what's your favorite spot in Chennai? What's your favorite spot?
Right now, my bed.
Your favorite spot in Chennai is your bed? Wow, that's a super cool answer. That's a super cool answer. I have a favorite spot. It's a tea shop in Sholinganallur. Sometime we'll go there and vlog.
Which one?
There's a tea shop. I told you, I was always telling you guys, no, I have a favorite tea shop
I didn't know.
in Sholinganallur. It'll be like terrace, like sitting on the terrace sort of tea shop. One day we'll take you there. We'll go there, we'll have some
Bro,
chai.
have some.
I can't. Why there's always our money? Okay, let's talk in Tamil. சொல்லுங்க வி எப்படி இருக்கு?
எப்படி என்னது எப்படி இருக்கு?
ஃப்ரெஞ்ச் ஃப்ரைஸ் எப்படி இருக்கு?
ஃப்ரெஞ்ச் ஃப்ரைஸ் ஓகே நல்லா இருக்கு.
நல்லா தான் இருக்கு.
ஓகே.
உனக்கு தமிழ் தெரியாதா? நான் 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 தெலுங்கு பொண்ணு, தமிழ் பேசுறா. நீ எதுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுற?
இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசலாம்.
தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க. ஃப்ரெஞ்ச் ஃப்ரைஸ் எப்படி இருக்கு?
இந்த உருளைக்கிழங்கு ஜூஸ் நல்லா இருக்கு.
Auntie, she's looking at us. I am having an eye contact with everyone to drag them into the vlog. We have like tons of people around and we couldn't even ask one.
I dare you.
You dare me?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can even ask the guy if you want.
What if they say something?
I mean,
creepy?
boys will say yes because most of the boys are yes persons.
Yeah. Most of the boys will be like yes, and you know most of the boys will be yes persons for all the other people, not for their own closed ones.
I mean, their girlfriends. Okay, done.
Bye guys. Thanks for bearing with us.
Yeah.
Like till we go to the next particular shop or a space, you won't be seeing us the next few.
Just say see you until next time.
See you until next time.